What's up, guys? It's Chase from Chase's Workshop, and in this video is actually going to be a time-lapse video of me getting this burst and clear coat on this guitar. And what's going to be informative about it is that when you first see this thing come up, it's actually it's already orange and it's already got a clear coat on it. And the clear coat that's on it in the beginning is a 2K clear coat, and it's a urethane. It's the same thing they use on cars and trucks when they clear coat them. And why that's important is that I'm going to be adding this water-based Crystalac Brite tone top coat on top of that to see how this product does with an existing top coat. And I think it did pretty good. I made a lot of mistakes. This being the second time that I've actually used a water-based clear, I think it turned out pretty good. And I tried it out on my son's 3/4 scale Telecaster body our guitar that I'm building him. So that way if I messed it up, he can't complain. So anyways, that's how I got to this point. If you have any questions about this, leave them below. If you liked the video, give me a like. If you liked it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Well, guys, there's just a few things I want to go over on the guitar. I ended up putting about 6 coats of clear coat on this, and the reason being is back to basics 101 of finishing. You always put down a tack coat on top, and I thought I was doing that, but apparently I put on too much, and I knew better, but I did it anyways. So I spent a lot of time getting this thing back to level, to where I could sand it and get a flat finish on it, and it turned out pretty good for as many mistakes as I made. Next time I would probably put focus a lot more on these edges, because I sanded through right here. I'm hoping I can repair that like I did in my video with the headstock, where I can maybe put some paint on there and then wipe on some clear coat to get it back to where it looks right. But as far as the product itself, I mean, this stuff is very durable. I mean, it's just like a 2K clear on top of it. I'm very pleased with this water-based product. Guys, if you have any questions about it, I'll do as best I can to answer them. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.